Want to know everything about C language? Everything. Functions, pointers, structures, strings, arrays, recursion, storage classes, preprocessing directives, everything. Then please register yourself for the free webinar. Uh, I'm going to take live sessions for next 3 or 4 weeks. I'm going to cover all concepts of C programming language along with the live programming practice. Okay, so be there. It will be really useful for you in your future life when you go for taking languages like C++ or Java or Python. So register yourself and get the benefit of this. Thank you. Thank you very much.